in Times Square Saturday night with the blizzard going on. No cars, no nothing happening. But we're out in the
And
south
Mommy's
having fun.
a trooper, that's for sure. Look at this. It's the only time I've ever seen you can walk down Broadway and not have any cars. We're going to get 2 feet of snow. And there she goes. I got to keep an eye on her. She's hard to keep up with. She may be 70, but I think there's Eskimo blood in her system. I'm just laughing. Look at the snow. They canceled Lion King tonight, but hopefully we'll be able to see Wicked tomorrow.